This conference will now be recorded.
Sorry for the interruption. Okay, so the contact center solution, as I told you, the Aztecs contact center solution is a business essential necessity for most of the business operates in a global environment or within India with a minimum of user size of 5 to 10. If your organization, if your company have 5 to 10 people engaged in calling or receiving the calls, definitely it is a business necessity and it ensures you the highest return on your investment. It helps you this real-time dashboard of contact center solution, also the real-time dashboard. Many people in this webinar present today would have seen our earlier screen and earlier interface. So now the interface in 2020 version of Aztecs contact center solution goes with this real-time dashboards and reporting screens. It helps you to live monitoring of the call center's daily operation. It helps you to monitor your agent's performance and the status on the real time, and it gives you the entire activities monitoring and recording of all your inbound and outbound calls. You can see, you can talk time distribution. Okay, is there a peak hour, is there a shift accordingly has to be planned. You can see just on your screen, on your dashboard itself, you can see the agents or the based on the dispositions, which disposition has a higher number of calls, how many campaigns are active, how many campaigns are not active at this moment, what are the least uploads, how many in groups are active. Okay, all the details, the call types, whether it is what is the percentage of inbound calls we have received, what is the outbound trunks we have used, all the details. Your agents are ready mode, your agents are pause mode, they are on break, everything you get on your dashboard on a real time monitoring. It gives you the real time supervision, the RTS, or you can say real time monitoring. Okay, this screen is going to look like this, or maybe with some improvements maybe it will look better than this. Okay, you can imagine or compare yourself with the old interface and the version 2020 interface. The Aztecs contact center solution, if you get into the agent's performance report, okay, you can see the screen. The agent performance report gives you a summary for any particular agent's performance in the selected time period. You can sort your agents based on the various metrics like their compliance, number of calls they have attended, or their private notes, or the successful or closures they have done. Find out the best and worst performing agents, or if you have a promo like every hour, awarding or announcing like who is the best performer for last 1 hour. Okay, or maybe the best performer for the day, everything you are just getting the activities of your agent's performance with statistics on the screen. You need not to go take the figures and calculate and then to compare. Okay, you can also see, if you can, if my screenshot is clear to you, on the right side corner you can see even with the agent name, the call time, the disposition, remarks, everything you can get on your screen itself. The performance list is right in front of your screen. Okay, if you are a inbound call center and majorly engaged into receiving the calls, you can see the inbound calls, call center reports with statistics. Okay, how many answered calls, the screenshot I have captured for one of the call center deployed. It is 2391 answered calls and there is 227 calls dropped. Right in front of you, you can see the numbers. Then definitely you can get into why 227 numbers of calls has been dropped. Is there not adequate number of agents? Okay, now or do I need to enhance my shift? Do I increase the number of agents in this particular time? Everything, just looking at the report, you can get into all the information what you desire, what you want for, what is the need. Okay, if you are using our solution for making outbound calls, again, this is the screen in front of you, which gives you the details of the outbound calls. Okay, average call length, total number of calls done, the number of the name of the agents who are into the performing list, their call duration, call handle time. Okay, what is the average call is, call time duration, everything you are getting just to understand. And here also you have all the search criteria as impact. Campaign wise, you can search for a date, you can search for a particular time, you can get the report the way you want it, the way your business demands for. Next, I will get into the new version of Aztecs Contact Center and IVR. See, IVR is not a new tool. IVR, interactive voice response, it was there. Okay, it is an automated telephony system that interacts with your callers and gathers the required information or routes the call according to the caller's requirement, appropriate recipient. Okay, that was there. But what actually I want to showcase you today is, for anything you want to design a IVR, you want to play a voice file, your dependency on the expert or maybe on Aztecs to give us a call or put a request to bring in necessary changes was the requirement. Now we have developed and given you the plugins and the front end tool. You can see one I have put, you want to play, tomorrow is 15th August and your office will be closed, or maybe you want to wish all the callers a happy Independence Day. You have your voice file ready, and on the front end at you, without being any dependency on our team or any expertise, you just go, choose the day, choose the date, browse, attach the voice file, submit. That's all. At the front end itself, you have the tool to define your holiday IVR, to define your after office, to greet your people, maybe if you have some promo, everything. We are giving you a front end to tool to help with your IVR. Maybe voice blasting also, we have done a lot of good work that our users, means our customers, has appreciated and sent them a good testimony and thanks mails. But probably that needs more time to define or discuss with you, which we will include into another session itself to discuss. Okay, otherwise this is the IVR and the front end tool for holiday or after office or all that, what I actually wanted to showcase today. Okay, the next, you can go to audio soundboards. Assume you audio soundboards enable a human agent to play some selected recordings of audio, like suppose for an example, every customer you have to tell some legal disclaimer, or maybe every customer you have to tell. Assume Aztecs itself, a customer calls our call center and he is interested to know about our service package. And our service package, it is just not a yes or no description. It has to be described. Sir, if you want basic, the support will be like that, the timing will be like that, the number of tickets will be like that. But it is again audiotic. For every customer who wants to know about my service package, I have to give a briefing of my whole set of service package. That's where these soundboard setups are much more and suitable to agents speaking to the client completely. And it also has an advantage that your single agent, rather than for 5 voice files or this voice files to read it correctly, you don't know how correctly they will read it, and to read it correctly, at least you need that much manpower. Now a single agent can handle your maybe 10 voice files. I attended the call, maybe it is from Pune, they want my SLA package, then I play my voice file where it gives all the details about the SLA package. Whereas one call I have received from Mumbai, maybe another call I have received from Mumbai, somebody want different details. So there is another voice file, and we have tested this voice files with more than of 100 recording files. It is working seamless. It is working perfect, awesome. Okay, so it is not only giving you a era of correct information that you are giving to your customer, also it reduces your cost. Okay,
Hello?
Then, hello.
Can you explain again? Are you saying that one agent can have several like greetings?
You,
So I am one
you
agent, but I can have five different greetings depending on who is calling.
No, no. In fact, this call will be attended by maybe you can put the query. Still, I'm thankful that you have shown your interest to understand this. So it is something like that. I am attending the call. While discussing to you, I have to give you a disclaimer or I have to give you a guideline. Okay, I have to give you the details of a broad information. Then rather me taking the help of some text and reading out to that entire thing, which will take 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, I can play the sound boards and that will give you all the information. By that time I am again free to take another call. So multiple voice files, accordingly I can play it and I can manage simultaneously parallelly multiple customers. Okay, more on this maybe after the webinar. I will share you more the details on this. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. And the next is Ask Monitor. You people aware? This is maybe the first of its kind across the globe. Any of this. See, for your information, there would BC dial, what we openly give as our application to our user, that is being used by 90% or maybe more than 90% people. Okay, somebody use it just in the backend and they have given some different layer on the visibility and they don't say it VC dial. Otherwise, the VC dial user list is so vast and massive that VCDL itself has a market share of more than 70%. Okay, so we at Astex Communication, we are past of its kind to develop a monitoring tool like this across the globe. We are fast to develop a mobile monitoring tool for VCDL application on Android based application, which helps you that your contact center agents can be monitored with a simple lightweight application which takes less than maybe 2 to 3 minutes. I have given you 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to do the entire setup. And this Ask Monitor works on all Android based devices and mobile phones, desk phones, TVs. Okay, particularly there is some version, but that version is if last 5 years you have upgraded your version, then it is compatible with your Android application. So we have Ask Monitor, and all our contact center solution users, they can use this Ask Monitor without pay for anything extra. Okay, chat server slightly I have already covered, so I will not be taking again your time to discuss it. Basically a live chat assistance. Okay, internal chat and external chat, even with your website visitors, it is helping them to convert maybe or bring them into a platform where your conversation leads further for your association, or maybe in a clear cut revenue terms, if I say, it helps you to convert your visitor to become your customer. Okay, we all are somewhere business people, purchase department people, IT communication manager team, so all we better understand this revenue terms. Okay, so this is something which helps your visitors to become your customer. Okay, then our integration, the collaboration thing, what I was highlighting when I started this discussion, our contact center solution, actually there are many, almost like more than 25 leaders in ERP or CRM we have worked together. Okay, few of them I have named here, you can see on my screen: Joho, Lead Square, VTiger, Ast CRM, Sugar CRM. Okay, all these web applications, ERP, CRM, whatever you are using. Okay, if your CRM or interface your database is ready to handshake with the communication or telephony, we are ready. Either we have already done it or all time we are ready to do it. Okay, being a open source company, having our own in-house training and development team, we are always ready if in case your business demand to integrate with some other web application you are using, and it has to be integrated, work together collaboratively with telephony or Astex communication solution you are using. Okay, for an example, I will just show you one case study in my next slide. Okay, example, Zoho integration. If you want, you can see the dashboards. Okay, if you want to use Zoho integration with Astex contact center solution, already the plugins and the tickets are there. You want a telephony module or maybe a button for click to call. Okay, you can see the screens. I don't know how prominent would be the screens for you. Okay, you can see the screens, telephony module button just for click to call. With single click, it is taking all the information or the tabular value from your CRM, and it triggers the call to the desired number. Okay, the telephony module button for click to call. If you want a call notification, okay, you know this inbound pop-up, okay, outbound pop-up, you can see the screen down. You can very clearly see if a number which is already there in your CRM or database, if we receive, the telephony receives a call from the same number, or we recognize the number, okay, then the notification or the pop-up you get on your screen, call notification. Then hang up with call duration. Okay, we can give you the dispositions or hang ups with dispositions and call duration. Okay, even we can give you the calls detail report. We have the plugin already there even to give you the call recordings to your CRM. If you don't want, anyway, as a communication server, the calls are recorded and you want all the calls recordings maybe every afternoon or every evening or every week or end of the month. The way we can give you this call recordings also, we can push you back. You can see the screens, tabs and the buttons already there. So the same way it is being designed for other CRM and ERPs as well. Technical support, it is just for not for the channel partners or franchisees present in this webinar. This is for the customers or who probably don't know very well our support system. Sir, let me touch my heart, let me close my eyes, let me compare our support system with any of our competitor or the telephone service provider. At least in India, what we have taken the feedback from the customers, we are the best. I don't know if you are using our solution or if you are going to use our solution after 3 months, what rating you will give. But I think the average rating our users, our customers has given us, nobody has rated us less than 8 in a scale of 10. Always we are at 8 to 9.7. Even few customers have given us 100% rating for our support. Okay, how catchy is our solution, how clarity is the communications we are making, all that it is the market standard. Okay, whatever the telecom line you have taken, whatever the signal your GSM card has, all that remains same with any provider you go. But the technical support, truly in a sense of 24/7 technical support, nobody can beat us. Our team, our channel has taken this as a challenge, and we are striving further to improve our support system better and better. And 99% of our support table can be managed over remote, so there is a maximum uptime we ensure for our customers. Why Astex? Because as I was just talking to you about the support system, the flexibility or the collaborative scope. If you are using any other smart communication system or applications, nobody has these certifications like we are fast attaining this TEC certification for our architecture and our designing for IPPBX, which is a mandatory from September 2019 for any PBX user, that the vendor or the manufacturer should have attained this TEC certificate, and we are fast on the list to attain this certificate. We are ISO certified for almost a decade now. We still believe on giving license-free business communication tools to our users. We are highly flexible to integrate with the third-party applications. We are industry-specific customized solutions ready. We are with, so this all makes, and this all makes us why Aztecs you should be using. Yes, of course, with some constraint with the time, or maybe the inconvenience on the clarity what I wanted to share with us. If still you need more information, anyway, the presentations and the recording, whichever course we will be sharing with you all. Still, anything more you want on the topics we have discussed today, you can definitely reach us here. And now I will request all of you to please listen or give your attention to the questions our team who wanted, or they would have given in the question answer. So let me go back to the chat. Okay, so maybe our Ahmedabad team, Mr. Mansukh Bhai, has given, I think it is a compliment for us. Of course, it is interesting. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mansukh Bhai. You find it interesting. Okay. Does auto provisioning work with Grandstream phones? It is from Mr. Abdul. Yeah, see, sir, as I have confirmed you, 100% with all Aztecs IP phones, auto provisioning we have already done, and we are offering it. Okay, with other phones like, as you said, Grandstream or Cisco or other phones which are largely already in use with our customers, we are testing it, and it is a phase we will be giving it. Of course, for all the models of Grandstream, Fanwell, and other models, it is not ready with us. But yes, of course, we will add on to the list. But for now, it is Aztecs phones. Okay. Then from our Pune office, can you explain little bit on soft phone that we providing as smart extension? Rajnikant sir, if you want a extra information on the soft phone, correct? Okay, rather make it interactive. Probably I would like to answer you maybe after this webinar. I will give you a call. See, the soft phones, whatever you want more information, we can definitely give you. And you wanted smart extension. Okay, it is there, sir. It is always there. What exact information more you want, I will give you a call maybe after this webinar, and I will try to clarify. Okay. For call center solution, can you please share agent screen? Agent screen also designed, but I have not included today. Maybe while sending you the presentation, I will add the agent screen as well. Agent screen is in fact with verticals. You know, we have designed verticals for automobile. We have designed vertical specific for debt collection agencies. We have designed according vertical specific. So accordingly, I will send you the screenshot. But there is a wow factor. You can really say there is a wow factor even on the agent interface. Agent screen also looks much better the screen we used to use before. Okay, I will share you, sir. I will share you. Maybe I will include the presentation itself. Okay. Then okay, Mr. Kijito, for the web call, is the call made over the internet? Yes, sir. There is no SIM at all. That's what I told, sir. Maybe your mobile is now used by your wife for ordering something online, or maybe your kid is playing some games. You don't need any cost to pay for to reaching the desired extension or desired team. It is over internet only. There is no SIM. Okay, I hope I have clarified this. The next query is new PBX CDR report with statistics is really good one. Can we offer free upgrade to our existing customers? Yes, I hope our management team is also there. This was a large demand or request from the sales team. So of course you also join us for this request, and I think management also has approved. There would be a upgradation, but we have to exactly see what customizations we have done before and whether they are in our service agreement, means they are in active contract of SLA or not. So few terms and conditions definitely there. Otherwise, yes, we can offer a upgradation. Okay. Uh, then next, Mr. Peter wants, can the contact center do social media integration? Yes, very well it can do, sir. Even our browsers, we have included this Facebook, WhatsApp integrations. But today I have not considered or included them for this topic, because this WhatsApp integration itself needs some more time, needs some more screens to discuss. Okay, otherwise it is already there, sir. It is actually not 2020 version. I think before April 20, in our older version itself we have included, okay, the social media integration. So my answer to you is yes. Yes, social media integration is possible. It is already there. When customers send a message via any other platform, the agents can see the message and respond accordingly. Yeah, the scope we can discuss on demand, but it is already there. uh, what will be the requirements to achieve the social media integration? I think we have had a small webinar before also. It is nothing much, sir. You should have business accounts, or your accounts should have the authorization to collaborate with other smart applications. Okay, nothing much. And also email and SMS integration. Yeah, email integration, SMS integration, these are already there. Okay, then I think Kurian sir has answered. Soft phone available on the website for download. We have sent a promo also as well on that. Okay, I think a particular soft phone, Android soft phone, Rajnikant wants, so that we will definitely discuss, sir, separately. Okay, so I think this is our soft phone, which is there in our website also. Just you open www.astex.com. On the top, which is zooming, you are giving a pop-up, is download the soft phone. Okay, you all can try. I request, at least for your own trial and satisfaction, you download and start using. Okay. Then again, Mr. Abdul Salam, are these new reporting available on Astex IVR application? IVR application, I don't know which version or like what exactly. I need little extra clarity. If you want that dashboard, what I have shown for IVR, or that voice blasting and all that, yes, it is all available. It is there. Even if you are using a voice log or IVR and all, these versions are available. Okay. Then can Astex PBX integrate with MS Team for conferencing and collaboration? Astex PBX, I do not exactly. Can you text a little more what type of integration you want? Because Microsoft Team is already a conferencing tool. So what additional conferencing you want there? If somebody do not have or do not want Microsoft Team or Zoom or any other video conferencing platform, our IPPBX gives them a video conferencing platform with the soft phone, or with a video IP phone, or if you are using a smart phone on your phone, you can do video conferencing as well. Okay, that WebRTC is already there. That is already there. That is not a new feature as well. Even years before, we were giving that. Okay. Okay, just which one I was there? Okay, with MS Teams. So it is actually there. What collaboration you want? Just to scope, we have to evaluate, and we are ready for the collaboration. Okay, even some same before we using Joyper, but Aztecs now providing. Yeah. Just on. Okay, Rajnikant sir, very prompt, very active, I can say. Immediately he have visited our website and he have saw the phone. Thank you so much, sir. And then what is there? Question for people to join team meeting from cell phone. For people to join meeting from cell phones. Okay. Yes, it is possible. As I told, sir, any web application, sir. As I told you, mostly we do over a CLI or a API. So any web application or the smart application you are using or you are planning to use, if they are ready to provide a plugin or a API, we are day and night ready. We are actually eager to work and prove it. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. There is no more questions or anybody in our team, any participant can help me if I have left out any question,
So
or maybe
yes, sir.
now. Yes, sir.
So on the Microsoft Teams, the use case I was considering is if somebody does not have internet access, he want to join a Microsoft Teams meeting, but he has a GSM or a landline. If PABX, Aztec PBX is integrated with Teams, and then that trunk is defined in the integration, then if the person dial a specific number, that number can be routed into the meeting. That's the use case I was looking at.
Oh, right. Very interesting user scenario also you have given, sir. As I told you, sir, if the scope comes, if there are customers who want to use this way and also they can get the API, definitely we will give a try, sir. Okay.
Okay, I think it should be. I think just for the record, Aztec has done integration with this kind of integration with Skype for Business, which is also from Microsoft.
That business version of Skype, the same possible, sir. Yes, the answer is definitely yes. You can join the meeting through Aztecs PBX. Okay, so only exactly we have to evaluate the scope and we have to maybe we need some time to deliver that. Okay, but answer is definitely yes. Rather, I say we are eager to try out that. Okay. Any questions left for the day? Okay, so this is ultimately the time comes where I was so excited that I would be seeing so many people across the globe. At least can say hello, hi, good morning, good evening to you all. So that time indicated me that enough boring you have made all of us. So now stop it here. So let me, though I am not interested or I don't want to say you bye, but let me bid a bye bye for today's evening, and whatever queries I have noted down. Okay, please reach me if I am not prompt enough to send you with your expected timeline. Okay, thank you so much. Please be safe. Okay, keep your strive and fight to protect
when
yourself
should we be
from.
expecting the slides?
Pardon?
When should we be expecting the slides?
Hello? Voice?
Hello, can you hear me? The slide for this presentation, when should we be expecting it?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Amoya, he's asking when you will share the slides.
Slides immediately. Next, maybe by tomorrow only we will share all the slide and the YouTube link. Okay, that's what I have told. We will be sending by tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah.